Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the brilliance of the design of the human body. Now you may not remember this, but when you were born with a watermelon-sized head. And so when a child is born, their head weighs 33% as much as their body. And that's what I'm talking about, the brilliance, because when a child gains control of that watermelon-sized head, they build a ridiculously strong center. And you too, today, can build a ridiculously strong center by going back to your watermelon-sized head. So, you guys have seen these before, but I like these sandbags from Hyperwear. And I've talked about marching through the neighborhood with one of these on, but you can also just put one of these on and play, and you will develop a very strong center. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this towel, and I'm gonna put it on my head because it helps not pull my hair with the bag. And then you place the heavy sand sombrero on your head, and then you just play and you move. And just placing the sandbag on your head makes your head heavier. And as soon as you do it, you're gonna feel your center come alive. And it actually it's quite invigorating. And again, you just play. You play with where you can move, how you can move, and you enjoy the feeling of strength being created in your middle. And this does actually teach you how to move and gain control of your body. And again, no matter where you go, you're gonna feel your center light up like a Christmas tree. Now, this is a 25-pound sandbag, and I was trying to get close to that 33% of my body weight watermelon head. You don't have to start out that heavy. You can actually just get a 10-pound sandbag, or if you get a Ziploc quart-sized bag, you just fill it with sand, you're gonna have roughly 10 pounds. If you get a regular Ziploc bag, sandwich bag, and fill it with sand, you get roughly 5 pounds. And you can start there, so you can start small, but it is so super cool to feel your center just turn on, and again, it's invigorating. It actually feels good. And you develop a stronger center, a stronger body, and a better moving body. So that's my tip this week. Go back to your roots with your watermelon-sized head and just explore the brilliance of your design. All right, kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.